welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. My name's Paula. Today's video is the third video in my series on the tarot. And today is going to be on the suit of wands. I have already covered the major arcana in videos number 1 and number 2, and I will link them in the description box and I'll try to remember to pin a comment underneath this video with the links to those two videos. I'm going to split them up into several videos that don't take up as much time, like 15 to 20 minute videos, rather than doing one great big long one, because you would be here for hours and hours. I don't want to record a video like that, and I am sure you don't want to watch one like that. So let me get my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing right now. I ran out of my contacts and I'm waiting for the new ones to come in, so we got to go with the reading glasses right now. So the tarot is divided into the major arcana and the minor arcana. The major arcana are your driving keys to life events. Things that are pretty well, that are very important with regard to lessons you have to learn, etc., etc., etc. Important life-changing events. The suits are wands, swords, cups, and pentacles. Each one of the suits is affiliated with an element. Wands are affiliated with the element of fire. Cups is affiliated with the element of water. Pentacles is affiliated with the element of earth. And swords is affiliated with the element of air. Okay? Today we're going to be dealing with the suit of wands. Okay? This is a fire suit, so that means Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius are the 3 zodiac signs affiliated with this suit. The suit cards are, from ace to 10 plus 4 court cards: the page, the knight, the queen, and the king. Okay? In general, in your suit cards, the aces are about raw power and a call to action. Your court cards typically describe either people or personality traits of the people, and they can also be what are called messenger cards. That's especially true with the page and the knight. Okay? So let's get started with this. The wands is probably one of the more less feared of the suit cards. The most feared of the suit cards is the swords, because there aren't a lot of really good really good cards where the swords are concerned. As I said, aces are about a call to action. It's about raw energy, raw power affiliated with that element. Okay, so if you remember the element of fire, that is passion for doing things. That is, passionate love and sex. It's your drive. It's determination. It's having courage to do something. So the ace of wands in the upright position is about creation, its willpower, its inspiration, and its desire. In the reversed position, it's about a lack of energy, a lack of passion, boredom, a sense of ennui. Okay? The 2 of wands is about planning, making decisions, leaving home. In the reversed position, it's about a fear of change, playing it safe, and bad planning. Okay? And these are just very general meanings of these cards that come up in fairly simple spreads. there are a lot more detailed meanings to the reversed and the upright position for all of these cards. These are just broad, overarching themes for these cards. This is not an comprehensive everything about the card. If you want that, I have a set of videos called Tarot Talks. I will link that playlist down in the description box. I'm part way through the major arcana. I need to get back to filming those. But, you know, this is not an all-encompassing list of all the meanings for these cards. So please don't come at me in the comments section, because I'm making my disclaimer right now. The Three of Wands is about looking ahead, expansion, and rapid growth, especially with regard to like your business or even your rapid growth as a person, okay? The Three of Wands in the reversed position is about obstacles, delays, and big time frustrations. It just seems like everything you touch turns to poop, okay? The Four of Wands is about community, home, celebration. In some cases, in love readings, it can mean a permanent relationship or even a marriage on the horizon, okay? In the reverse position, it's about a lack of support, transience, and conflict within the home. It can also mean a breaking up of the home, okay? The Five of Wands in the upright position is about competition, conflict, and rivalry, okay? It means you are just like fighting things off all over the place. In the reverse position, it is about avoiding conflict and respecting differences between one another. In other words, it's kind of telling you in the reverse position to kind of pick your battles wisely. I'm going to say that. The Six of Wands in the upright position is about victory, success, and a public reward or public acknowledgement of your achievement of some kind, okay? In the reverse position, it can be excess pride, you know, like pride goes before a fall. A lack of recognition for your work. In other words, somebody taking credit for your work in some cases. And it's about punishment for something, okay? The Seven of Wands in the upright position is about perseverance, hanging in there. It's also about defending yourself, taking defensive steps, and maintaining control of a situation that's been out of control, okay? In the reverse position, it's about giving up, it's destroyed confidence, and feeling completely overwhelmed by something, okay? The Eight of Wands in the upright position is about taking rapid action, movement, and the need for quick decisions. Okay, you've got a lot going on. There's a lot of stuff up in the air. Okay, in the reverse position, it can be telling you to slow down or you're going to burn out. Being held in like a waiting sense of waiting for something, or a holding pattern of some kind. And it can also be that you're in a panic about some situation, okay? The Nine of Wands in the upright position is about resilience, your ability to bounce back after something, you know, bad that has happened. It's about grit, and it's about taking a stand. This is like your last stand. This is drawing a line in the sand where something is concerned, okay? This is it, and from here, if you cross this line, it's fight to the finish, okay? In the reverse position, it's showing exhaustion. fatigue, and a lack of motivation. You have been fighting the fight for too long and you're worn out. You've been doing too much and you're worn out, or you've been burning the candle at both ends and you're on the verge of a burnout, a complete breakdown burnout, okay? The Ten of Wands is about accomplishment. It's responsibility, and it's also about the burden of responsibility, okay? In the reverse position, it's about an inability to delegate anything. It's being a control freak about something, that inability to delegate to somebody else. It's being overstressed, and it's about being burnt out. The Page of Wands. Now, I've said a page can mean a younger person, usually a male, of the fire signs, either Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, or it can mean a younger person with these particular personality traits, or, you know, it's about a particular situation, okay? It can also be an indicator of time, and that would be within the sign of Aries, within the sign of Leo, within the sign of Sagittarius. So those fire signs during the year, okay? But it's all dependent on the type of spread that you're doing and the type of questions that have been asked by your querent. So the Page of Wands is about exploration, excitement, and freedom, okay? In the reverse position, it's a lack of direction, procrastination, and creating conflict. It's someone in the background that's really kind of, you know, causing drama, okay? The Knight of Wands. Knights are usually messengers. And again, this can be like a male of an adult age that is Aries, Leo, or Sag, or it can be these personality traits, or it can be a time period, Aries, Leo, Sag, having to do with these subject areas, okay? So the Knight of Wands in the upright is about action, the need to act, adventure, and being fearless. In the reverse position, it's anger. It's someone who's impulsive, or you being impulsive about something, or being reckless about something, being reckless. The Queen of Wands. This usually is affiliated with a woman, an adult woman, Aries, Leo, or Sag, or an adult woman who possesses these personality traits, okay? In the upright, it's courage, determination, and joy. In the reverse position, it's selfishness, jealousy, and insecurity, okay? The King of Wands. This is usually an adult male, Aries, Leo, Sag, or that time period, or a male who possesses these particular traits. In the upright position, it's about the big picture, being able to see everything that's at play, okay, to figure out exactly what's going on. It's a leader. It's overcoming challenges, okay? In the reverse position, it's being impulsive, being overbearing, and having unachievable expectations, not only for yourself, but for others, okay? So in general, the wands are those fire traits about passion, and I mean drive to get something done. The driving force, that fire behind it, driving you to act on something, okay? As I said, these are only very, very basic key words for the cards associated with the suit of wands. these are not all encompassing meanings. The cards can take on very different meanings based on the type of reading that you're doing and the person that you're doing the reading for. Okay? So with that, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and share it on your social media. And please be sure to subscribe before you leave. And as I always say, merry we did meet, merry we will part, until we merry meet again. Be well and walk in love and light, everybody. Bye.